All right, guys, we got an awesome thing we're gonna go ahead and review for you guys. This is the off-road beast, the dual flip 360, and we are super excited. Are you excited?
Yeah.
All right, show me the car. What do we got? That is pretty cool, right? Look at that car, guys.
Look at the sides.
Look at the sides of that car. While he is showing you all the cool features of how small this car is, I'm gonna go ahead and put the batteries in the back of this. You need 2 AA batteries. They do not come in the package. And then the other thing I'm gonna tell you is you do get a screwdriver, which is awesome. I love products that give you the screwdriver so you can actually, come back here and sit with me, bud. So you can actually just get into it and not have to find one. Now, the actual car itself does come with its own batteries. Hold the batteries, bub. Batteries, got it. All right, you got a screw, and that's also really nice. So with the screw, yeah, help me, dude.
Can I screw when I'm all done?
Yep.
And putting the batteries in?
Absolutely, big guy. There we go. So we're gonna go positive to negative, okay?
You put that
And that's the positive. Look, you got the plus on it. We're doing a little learning here. Let's see. And then we're gonna flip it around. I want the positive on this side. Good job, dude. Perfect, big guy. And we pop that in there. And then can you help me screw it down? Okay.
I can screw it by myself.
All right. So pretty cool little product here. Dual flip 360 technology. I don't know what that means, but we're gonna absolutely see. Now, you do get 2 batteries that come with this, which is super awesome. And it does have a proprietary connector when it comes to actually charging it. So you wanna remember that. Now, little easy batteries right here. Whoops. You got 2 of them, and they should connect really simply in the product itself. Let me go ahead and tighten that bad boy up. Okay, thank you for your help. And then we gotta flip the car over, bub, so that we can
Put the batteries in?
put the battery in it. So since it's a single battery, you have 1 screw right on the bottom of it. So we're gonna go ahead and take that guy out. This is 2.4 gigahertz as well. So it could potentially work with other remotes. What's up, dude?
Did you actually know I just turn the on button and when you put the batteries in and screw it in, it's just automatic.
Automatic. So that is pretty cool. I do not think there's an off and on button, and you are exactly right. So once we pop this on, it is going to be turning on. So there is one direction to be able to click it, which makes super sense right here. And so we're going to go ahead and slide this in. Kind of a little more difficult to put this together as far as the battery goes, but once you figure it out, it clicks in just like that, and then we can just pop this in there, make sure the cord is out of the way, just kind of slide it out of the way right there, and then pop on this.
You have to screw it in.
Yes, sir, we do. Come on, let's do that together.
I got it.
All right. Good job. So you got the remote, pretty cool little remote right here. You got up, down. Okay, and you got side to side, so it makes it super simple for little guys to be able to do this stuff. It's this one right here, buddy. That one right there. So it makes it really easy. The ones with the circles do make it hard because they're obviously like going in corner directions and stuff like that. You have a couple different buttons here, which we're gonna take a look at the guide and see what that does. So we can take a gander, and then you do have the on and off button, which you see on the very bottom of the truck. Okay, go ahead and open this up. Now on here, you have 1 key demo. Interesting, we're gonna see what that does. It does have an on-off button. Look at that, big guy. Got some cool flashers on the front of this. Can you guys see that? That is pretty cool at the end of the day. Let's go ahead and get this tightened down all the way. Thank you, you did almost all of it. Good job, dude. So we are locked and loaded. Okay, we got our on-off switch right there on the bottom. Let's go ahead and set that down. Can I help you out and get it connected? Whoa, and just like that. And we're gonna compare the other one in just a minute. But look how cool this thing is. 360 spinning, all kinds of cool stuff. That is super cool. How fast is it? Go forward. So, I don't know if you noticed this. Let me see, can I see it, Bob? So with this one, you have left and right. So if you just take and turn it left, it's just gonna twist for you. So that's what makes it nice. If you wanna go forward, backwards, you can do that and then turn. But it turns pretty quickly with the left or right side of things. So that's all we got. This thing is an absolute beast. So what do we tell everybody? What do we tell everybody? Nothing. No, we always say you've gotta
check it out.
Check it out.